Alright, there we go. We're live. Ignore the fact that you can see my Twitch page. Let me just fix that. God, it's been a while since I used this layout. Alright, everything is all messed up. Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't even know if I'm properly.
It's alright, I'll fix it. What's up, guys? If you've never seen me on stream, I'm Den. Hi. I'm one of the devs for OT Online. And
And
today we are going to do some fun stuff. We have some interesting things to try to accomplish today.
Mm-hmm.
okay. So I'm Sahate, if you haven't already known. I literally don't do anything but test and offer insight
And break stuff.
and break stuff. Yeah. Anyway,
And I'm Melon. I'm the creator of the project. I'm the one that started it and hired Deno and Psyhead. And yeah, we're gonna do some debugging and developing today.
Oh shit, I got hired? Clearly I missed out on the salary there.
Oh, you didn't told me you wanted a salary.
I'm just playing. Alright. So, let me get situated here with
Ooh, nice background.
displaying. Let me get to displaying some game here. Let's see, BizHawk. Open you.
on.
Yeah, unfortunately my Zelda layout was apparently completely broken because I haven't played Rando on stream for a little bit.
I
So,
see.
yeah, it was a little busted. I might have moved some files inadvertently. That's okay. We'll fix it as we go.
Okay. I'm going to at everyone on. Hey, Melon, could you do us a favor? Could you um make an announcement showing our both Deno and my Twitch page?
I don't know. Can you send me your Twitch page in the?
Sure, I guess. You literally linked to it earlier, but okay.
Alright. Got the game up. Let's open the project. Little impromptu here because I didn't know when the Smash tourney was gonna end.
Yeah,
Yeah. So we're getting set up quickly as we can.
I
Let
feel like
me
that.
close a few things. All right. I'm gonna put. Let's see.
It might help if I have my Xbox controller plugged in.
Oops, don't mind that. That didn't work.
Oh, hey, Meatly Shaman. Yeah, I'm just reading comments from my thing. Yeah, I'm back. Just my streams aren't really that topical towards anything in particular.
A Visual Studio update is available. How about no? How about no right now? Do not want. Okay. Alright, I am gonna put this on the screen. Okay, wait, what is this? Here, we'll reuse this window capture. It'll be fine? Maybe? Oh, there we go. Maybe? Hello? Window capture,
Alright.
please. Why is this window capture being... Oh, I see. Okay.
Do you want to ping 1 million people? Yes.
Yeah.
I don't really want to make this huge. We'll just
There you go.
we'll do like that.
Okay. So I'll tell you right now, Dana probably has a better setup than I do because he's the actual developer of the netcode and all the good special stuff. So I think I haven't seen his actual stream layout yet, but I assume it'll be a little bit more interesting than mine. It's just gonna be my desktop with BizHawk open and some other stuff if needed.
Yeah.
So I might as well just turn my BizHawk settings, make it bigger.
Oh, I'm just using my rando layout, and I just replaced like my item tracker with a dev window.
Oh, okay.
So, nice big zoom up of the game.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just open the web server, open up my client real quick, and shove that onto the
Okay.
my other screen so people don't see it.
I think the first thing I want to do today, Melon, for just to make this stream better is, let's see, I gotta go to our nice spreadsheet here.
Yes.
Because I need to add something to our context. Let's see.
Okay.
BC plus 10. So this is going to be at 0x00. Wait, 00 CC. And we'll do 1 byte. Okay. Alright, and you guys will notice that dev window will appear and disappear randomly. They don't mind that. That's just me opening and closing the server.
Okay.
Okay. So the first thing that we're going to do today is I'm going to fix something that will make the stream less of a pain to run. I'm just going to fix it real quick. Let's see. Before we get into the real meat of this stream. CCC. Okay. I am just going to hard code this for now, and I will fix it later.
What are you hard coding?
I'm fixing the thing that, like, when we change something, it doesn't have to, like, reboot the game to get it to work, because that's going to be a total pain if we're not in the debug ROM, because we can't teleport around.
I see.
Yep. And I'm also going to, let's see,
My dumbass phone is being dumb. It's not giving me a live update of the chat.
rip.
Oh.
It is showing it on my stream chat on my OBS, but my actual one is not. Okay, there. It should be live now.
Okay,
All right,
so
I can actually read your stuff now.
Alright, so Melon, I'm going to fix 2 things right now, hopefully real quick. I'm going to fix it so that when we do like a patch, we don't have to reboot the game, because that used to work and then got broken in 1.0, but I'm going to fix that. And 2, I'm going to fix it so that actor hooks recalculate when that happens, so you don't have to leave the room.
Okay.
Because that's really annoying, and I hate it, so we're going to fix it.
Okay.
So, has Attica shared the new?
He is not yet. So
He wants us to fix the sound, to add sound, and to add grabbable objects.
Oh, as soon as he, shares with me the file, I will do it. But
He wants to do the opposite now.
yeah, but
Well,
I can't test if it works if I don't have the thing.
Well, tell them.
Like,
yeah, just go ahead and ask Attica when you get the chance. If he's willing to share the current of it.
all right, do that. Okay, almost there, and then we will do something interesting. Okay, here we go. I do hope this will quickly patch up what I want it to do. So we're going to do that, and do that. Alright, committing this code.
Alright.
Oh.
So what that should enable us So what we're gonna do now is, now that I got that patched up, game, please, come on now. Oh, it's paused. Whoops. Unpause. Okay, so how do you want to do this, Melon? Do you want to log in with like a full save game or a new one? Oh, I can't really do adult dungeons if we load in with a new one.
Hold on, let me change the display real quick. But I'm thinking, let's try to get a save game with at least just turned into an adult.
Let me see. I've got save games. Let me find one.
How do you change?
Alright, let me just restart my ROM so I can get a different save game.
Okay.
Oh, damn it. Okay.
There we go.
And you guys don't really need to get the save game, because you'll get it from me as soon as the server comes up.
Yeah.
Alright, dude. Quickly.
But at the very
load
least,
that.
we'll need
Okay. Oh, wait, that's not... I made that for the wrong ROM, because I'm a genius. Alright.
Oh, it says someone says Melon is very quiet. Maybe I should change.
For once, I'm quiet.
I was about to say,
Oh, yeah,
Melon
I have you guys
quiet? Wait a minute.
Whoa!
There, you guys should be turned up now.
I can scream now.
No, please
Okay,
don't.
there we go. Yeah, please don't.
Ah!
Okay, now we should have a save game that actually has something on it.
Okay.
Just let me
Um,
check that. Oh yeah, we got stuff. We're good. Alright,
I joined.
hold on.
I'm in Link's house.
I don't know if that's gonna end up deleting everything. We'll find out.
That did.
Oh, I'm not logged in yet. I gotta connect. Give me a second. Because I just restarted the game.
Mm.
Okay,
that's
here
cool,
we
man.
go. Loading it up.
my BizHawk and everything crashed. All right. Here, let me. I made sure I checked the.
Yeah, just make sure you only share the game, Sai.
Yeah, I know. Well, the node actually shows up regardless of automatically boot up onto.
Oh, I mean, Link's house is like child.
Oh, I'm loading.
But I got everything.
Yeah, I loaded. I'm as adult, so yeah. But everything.
But I should be able to just go to the Temple of Time right now.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
here
do that.
I'll go ahead and open the door for you because I'm already here.
But if I join as child, it's gonna mess up your things.
Oh no! I mean, I'm gonna open the door in the temple and then I'll like go somewhere. I'll go to Ganon's castle or something to get out of the way.
Okay, I'm in fucking Deku Tree right now.
But I still have to watch the cutscene.
No, you don't.
Oh yeah, because vanilla.
This is the rando ROM. You don't have to watch shit.
Well, I have to do the Deku Tree.
Oh right, because we can't clip out.
All right, so where are you?
Do you want me
Deno?
to just like send you this save game?
Yeah, send us the save game if you don't mind.
Here, I'll just send you the save game. Da, 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 da.
Oh, Meatly Shaman, if you want to shiny hunt something, try shiny hunting
Roll me
a magic harp. That'd be fun.
Alright, that save game should start you in Temple of Time with everything.
Okay. Where do we put the save RAM? Is it in N64? Oh, okay, duh.
Yep. Hello, everyone in chat. What's up? We're just getting situated, getting everyone's stuff configured so we can do this.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna set up for doing some dungeon stuff. Like this isn't necessarily like a showcase. We're not showing it off necessarily, though there might be a little bit of that, but what we're mostly doing is this is kind of a day in the life of a dev. So you'll see sort of the process, what we do, how it works,
Hey, Maichi.
stuff like that.
Okay. I'm in Temple of Time now.
All right,
Oh, Maichi, thanks for the follow.
I'm outside of Temple of Time, rolling around by the Gossip Stones.
Let
Okay.
me find you then.
I should have the
Oh, yep.
save
I
file
see you right there.
properly.
Hi, Melon.
Hi,
Okay, I'm
Oh,
loading
yeah.
my script right now.
my good tunic.
I need to change window size to ×3. There we go.
Okay, so yeah, what we're gonna do is right now the plan is we're gonna pick a temple. Doesn't matter which adult temple. We're gonna pick a temple, and we're gonna go try to sync that temple live on stream, and then at some point, Idika is going to send us a new puppet that has new features, and we're gonna implement that live on stream.
Okay. So, where are you guys right now? I just exited Temple of Time.
We're right
Oh,
here.
we're just right there. Hi.
No.
We're just standing right
I see you
here.
guys.
Camera angle.
Anyways. Alright,
Before this
so
crash.
where are we going? What do we want to do? Do you want to, like...
Let's do Forest Temple.
Yeah, Forest Temple.
we have the song. We can just warp there.
Oh,
Oh.
yeah. What was the song again?
Yeah,
A up.
I'm
left,
gonna
right,
watch
left,
you
right,
guys
left, right.
warp away so they can see it.
Oh, okay.
Whoosh, gone.
Whoa.
Ah, Melon's inside me.
Oh.
Oh, shit.
Well then, this ain't that
There's
kind
a
of
cutscene.
stream.
Yeah, just play the song and you're fine. This has cutscene skips.
Oh, okay. Alright, let me get the shot out.
Haha, I didn't have to watch a cutscene because you guys watched it.
Oh, hey, I'm on top of the...
Let me get my hook shot out.
Hey, look at me.
Hey, Melon.
I'm gonna oh, I was trying to knock you off the ledge. Ugh. No, I knocked myself off.
Ha ha.
Alright.
I went to the ground, that's normal.
Excuse me. Alright.
Just 10
Damn.
seconds ago.
Wolfos.
Are enemies working or...
Oh,
yeah.
they are.
Yeah, they should be. Should be good.
Hey.
Okay. I'm gonna...
I'll go up here.
Oh, we don't... we have keys. I gave this save
Oh,
game keys. We good.
Okay.
I'm ahead of the game. I gave us keys for every dungeon in this save,
Oh, yeah.
so that we don't have to fuck around with keys. We can just go.
Tree Link's opening the door. This cutscene is not skipped, is it? It is.
Yeah,
Okay.
it is. Yeah, all the cutscenes are skipped. It's good. Okay, so where do we want to start?
Yeah, what about the
door?
This, what about this right here?
I think these are... I don't remember if I actually finished syncing these.
I'll try it out.
Yeah, try.
I know we had them synced at one point, but that was in debug. I don't know if that got properly ported.
Okay, it disappeared from me. How about you guys?
No, it's still there. Okay, so that's... Okay, first thing is this Song of Time block. Okay, let's check that out. Song of Time block... let's see. What is the name for Song of Time block?
We'll check that right now. Song time block is OBJ time block.
OBJ time. Oh, it is in here. Like, we do have a file for it, but okay, so it's not working quite right. Actor any size, debug. It looks like we were just syncing position, and that didn't do anything. Interesting. Okay, so that is actor ID 1D1. Do we have a 1D1 in here? Actor ID... Yeah, there is a 1D1 in here. Okay. So, that didn't work. Okay, so basically Melon can still see it, I can still see it, but it moved for Psy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Exactly. Okay.
Okay, so let me think. It should have moved, but...
Can Psy check his position?
I mean, he could. That should have kicked off. Let me think.
With so many links, you're just gonna destroy the enemies and bosses. Well, yeah, that's about right.
Yeah, that's about right. I have I have a theory. Um,
No one's paused, and so he's just
Yeah.
standing there.
okay, so Melon, oh, actually, no, that wouldn't make a difference, would it? No. I don't think that would make a difference. Okay, let me add a. Okay, the template is it's considered pushable. Okay, so let's check. Yeah, it's considered a pushable, so let's look at pushables.
Okay, Psy, can you go to this address and tell me what's there in the hex editor?
Okay. You want me to tell you what's right at that address?
Yeah, the byte.
Okay, I'll go ahead and PM
Oh, okay, that's not it. Can you run the script called actor debugger and O?
you. Yeah. Some scripts.
Oh,
Active
whoops.
debugger, I know.
Sorry about that. I paused my game. There we go.
Okay. What would you like to see on my active debugger?
It should tell you at a thing called time block with an address next to 1D1.
Okay. I'm looking.
All right.
Should be near the hand.
Sculpture.
Let me go to my hotkeys.
Oh yeah, time block. So what do you need to look at?
Copy the address into the hex editor, like go there.
There we
Okay.
go. Okay.
And then give you what was at the.
Yeah, like give me like 5 lines.
Oh, okay.
Alright, I saw generic enemies.
Okay, that's fine.
Is that the same as ours?
C1 and yeah. Second line is going to be I think upside to send it.
Oh, second line?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just send you a snapshot.
Well, just send me the third line. Third line is the position. Okay, good. So the block didn't move on his side.
Okay, so that's why it didn't work, because apparently the position variable doesn't change. Okay, so what does, is the question.
Can you play the Song of Time again and see what value changes? Sorry.
Or we
Right
can,
now?
or we can do it.
Yeah.
Melon.
Yeah, you guys do it.
I'll do it.
I gotta get my ocarina out. Alright, so for those watching, what we're sort of doing right now is trying to hook up this Song of Time block to move for everybody when one person moves it, and we had originally made the assumption, when we were just hooking things up, that it was a positional thing. But apparently Song of Time blocks are not positional, so gonna have to do a little bit of investigation.
Yeah, no, it's Jesus. He was walking on air.
Whoa, magic.
Haha, guys. Anyway.
Yeah, I'm not sure what changes.
There's gotta be something that changes in this thing. There's gotta be some way that it moves. It looks like some scene data might have updated. Maybe its position is somehow loaded from a scene flag? That doesn't really make sense. I'm pretty sure there's something in the actor that does change, because we had this working in debug at one point.
Poke address, and then I'm going to do 0A. Poke address again. 1, 0A.
Yeah, sorry if it looks like we're just standing around. We're just, debugging takes time.
Oh, I think I found the values. It's at
I'm just running around out of bounds.
How'd you get out of bounds?
I clipped out of bounds by jump slashing a wall.
Which wall?
The one over by the door that leads to the block puzzle room. There's a spot where you can just jump slash out of bounds.
Hmm.
Let me just
Hey, I just started down the blender and tried parking in a rabbit hole. Been a blast. Hope operating online dev goes well today. Thank you, Q Wood Mancy.
So me soft resetting there also serves another purpose in that I'm going to see if that Song of Time block is still in the same place when I come back in here.
Oh, okay.
Because if it's gone, no, it's still there. Okay, so it's not the scene flag that got edited. All right.
Oh shit!
Something's
I
broken.
see you as a Welcome to the Ground.
Okay, so apparently soft reset does something strange.
With
Something,
animations.
Yeah.
strange on my
Oh, you know,
screen as well.
I bet I know what it is. Wait, did that actually? Let me check. Let me
Um,
check.
if you look at my Twitch, you'll see that there's a door that doesn't have any like model or mesh, or it doesn't even have interactability with it. It's just a black void.
Oh yeah, I think I know why that happened. Oops.
It seems to be only that one door.
Yeah, I think it's because I think we have the. Do you remember the old AB leak bug? I think it's
Oh,
back, but for 1.0.
damn.
It's something with that door implementation that Melon did. I'll figure it out. Anyways, can y'all toggle for a second so I can, because the server. Oop, I just dropped my controller. Come back here.
No.
Okay, yeah, I
Okay,
toggled
yeah,
myself.
we're good again. All right, let me. Uh, OOT multiplayer. Some assembly required.
Yeah, the position of the block doesn't change.
Oh shit! Destroyed the client again.
And I restarted, but it rebooted me anyway.
Yeah, I don't think what I did is Oh, you know, that's why it's not working. I'm dumb. I know what's wrong with that. Okay. Oh, yeah, now the Song of Time block is gone. What? Okay.
Hmm.
If I play the song, does it come back? Oh, yep, it comes back. Okay.
Oh,
All
I
right.
didn't know it'd come back.
Let's see.
Oh yeah.
Where are you guys?
We're
Uh,
entering the temple because it
Yeah,
reset
because it
us.
reset us. Yeah, I know why it did that. I'm gonna fix that while you guys run back in.
okay.
Let's
Oh yeah.
see.
Someone says, "Is that the equivalent of the Link's T pose, the lying on the floor, all
Yeah,
bundled up?"
that's basically the puppet's T pose, is where it's like flattened into the floor.
Mm-hmm. Melanie, you didn't kill it in time.
I tried. It's hard with a stick.
Let's see. 0.60000 CC, was it? Is that what I set this to? Let me check. Yeah, CC. and then set it to FF. Okay. Let me commit that change. It's not important right now, but it'll help later. Oh, hey, you're back. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's got to be something in this block that changes. Let me break out a...
Oh, neatly shaman, did you get a shiny magic carp?
Here, let me add a... Let's see, add...
Yeah, for me, whenever I played the song, it did the animation, but the block didn't return.
Okay, I'm just going to put this on the screen so you guys can kind of see more of what is going on. I don't need two of the same one, thank you, game. Alright, now that I put a little bit more stuff on the screen, let's have a look at...
Oh, nice job, shaman. Anyway.
Alright, Song of Time block. Go to, jump to that, alright. So let's see. C buttons, please. Hello? Oh, there we go.
Yeah, I don't think it does anything that changes. Oh, wait. I think I found it.
Yeah, I'm sitting here looking at the memory right now.
It's like shielding us.
I see a timer that starts going down like the instant that you start playing the song.
Probably the animation timer.
Yeah, like as soon as you play the song, that starts going down. So let's see. And then as soon as the animation ceases, that timer... Actually, it still ticks down to a certain degree.
Oh, the Song of Time block came back. Alright, cool.
Alright, I'm gonna... kind of just... Oh, no, poking a random little number in there didn't do it. Okay. So what did you find, Melon?
Nothing.
Nothing. Alright. There are some things that change, though I think some of those are lighting data related. There is a variable that changes, like, just by getting out the ocarina at all near it.
Well, it's an
Okay.
actor that said, "Hey, if in certain proximity, activate the trigger once song's played." So it's just like,
Reverse engineering stuff is fun.
especially on stream.
Yeah.
You have the pressure of doing it as fast as possible.
Nah, no pressure. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, let's see. Okay, it looks like 6C is the maximum timer on that, or maximum number on that timer. So the next thing I want to do is, let's see, let's put this on hotkeys. Let's put this on frame advance so that I can do... I'm gonna lag like crazy in-game for a second. I'm doing frame by frame. Okay, okay. I don't see that number changing really. Okay, it changes to that. And then when I pull out the ocarina, it changes to that. Alright, so what if I do... What if I copy you? And now I get out of this screen. Alright, what if I do... 6C, and then I go here, and do that. Nope. Nope, that wasn't it. Yeah, I was kind of hopeful that would do something.
Hmm. Oh well.
Yeah, I was kind of hoping that that would trigger something to happen. Okay. Let me try something else. Let's go... Okay, so that didn't do anything. Let's go further down.
Melon, this is a stick up. Okay, ignore me, idiot.
Okay, nothing further down in the actor seems to change.
Yeah, which is weird.
Song of Time blocks are an enigma.
Yeah, I'm sure most song related stuff. For example, does the waterfall in Zora's River have the same issue?
I don't know. We haven't really done much overworld yet. Is there any other, like... Is there another actor that controls this or something? I doubt it, but...
I don't think so.
Yeah, I'm just looking through the actor list. No, I don't see anything that looks like it would control it. Actually, I wonder what these are. Hmm. Song of Time blocks are a freaking mystery, man.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's got to be... Okay, so how do they move without changing their position? That's an interesting trick.
Well, actually, does it just disappear?
I don't think it despawns. I'll check.
It's all glitched out for me.
No, it's still present. Like the actor is still present.
Would it be possible for us to?
Oh, Sai? I think he's lagging.
Oh, am I lagging?
I didn't hear what you said. You cut out.
Oh yeah. I was asking, would it be possible for you to despawn the actor
I mean, I could, but then if you played the
manually?
song again, it wouldn't come back.
Sure.
It's weird that just like so few things change in here. Okay, it's FE and then that changes to A. I'm pretty sure that is lighting related.
Tired.
Oh, I found it. Haha.
Oh, nice.
I think. Wait,
Oh,
did that do anything? I found something. Hold on.
What?
Oh, damn it, controller, please. Let me try that again. I think I found something to do with it. Let's see what happens. Oh no, maybe no, that counts
Oh, I
down.
found it. I found it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Hope maybe I was on the right track. We'll see.
Oh, nice.
So what do you got,
So
Melon?
Okay. So I got it to disappear. If you're on, if it's there and you know the okay, let me. You know the A.
Yeah, the thing is just the one that's just A.
Poke it to this when the block is there.
Yeah, it's actually the variable I was poking at. F, yeah,
There's another value we need to set as well. So if I poke it to, let's say, FE, which is the value, and then F.
okay,
Oh, there you go.
so I was poking the.
If you poke it to FE, it comes back.
I think I'm poking the wrong one. Hold on. Which like what address for A? I see one that is A near the timer that I was poking, but
It's followed by 0001, 0002.
yeah, that's the variable I'm poking. Yeah, when I poke that, it doesn't do anything. Like
For me, it does.
if I poke like like FOOA in there, nothing happens.
FE, you sure?
Yeah, whatever it was you. Oh, FE. Okay, hold on. Let me try that. Nope, nothing.
okay.
When I poke FE into that address, I get nothing. It's the one that's immediately after like FFDC, which is like the animation timer for the block. Thank you for the good luck, man. We're trying. It's a task. This is what we do every day: is sit here and like pick on some particular thing in the game until it behaves. Okay, so yeah, that doesn't do anything. There must be something else that has to be set.
Melanie, you said you found it, right? But what happens when you poke it?
Yeah, that sets itself to A when I like play the song manually. We should probably make sure we're actually like attacking the right. Make sure we're attacking the right thing here, or that I'm attacking the right thing here.
God, so can't wait to break it.
Okay, so what did you find, Melon, with that?
Nothing.
So it just doesn't. There's got to be a I know that this can be done. Like I know for a fact it can be, but Okay, I have potentially stupid ideas. Let's see.
I love stupid ideas.
Alright, that's what we do. We do lots of stupid ideas. Alright, so let me try... let's see, time block. Wait, that's object switch. I don't want that. I want object time block. Okay, object time block. Okay, so instead of this, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna change this. Okay. Alright, this is just sort of alright, so that's gonna be that, and we're gonna say that. Alright, this may or may not do anything at all, but we're gonna try.
Okay.
Okay, Alright, I committed stuff. Now let's see if this is gonna work.
Okay. Let me.
Oh wait, I saw.
80.
Wait a minute. Something happened. Something happened.
I just turned on my script.
The time block vanished on me. What? I'm pretty sure we have a data leak somewhere. Can I play the song to get the block back? Oh, yep, the block is back. Okay. Okay, anyways, restart your stuff.
Okay.
I don't think it'll restart the game. I mean, I think it's going to restart the game for me, like, one more time, but...
Well, for me, it restarts the game and half the time crashes my client.
I don't have it crashing my client, but... I don't think it should restart the game anymore. I think I fixed that.
Oh.
Like, it'll restart it this one last time, but I don't think it should restart it anymore. Alright, I am back in the temple. Whoa.
Yeah, I'm back into yeah.
What is all of this?
1E8930. No. That's what Solar told us to look at.
Okay, so this is going to be like the spammiest thing ever, but if this works, then we'll know where to go from here.
Okay.
I'm in the room. Oh yeah, it's spammy as fuck.
Yep, sorry. I see you. There you are. Hello. Okay,
Hey.
see if this does anything, Melon.
You want me to play the song?
I'm playing the song. See if it does anything.
Well, first of all, I can target the side of the block with Navi.
Yeah, I can target it with Navi as well.
Oh, well, I
No,
cannot
I
target the block again.
The
So
block.
that worked.
Did it go away?
No.
Well, the thing is that the block didn't go away, but the Navi spot sign, like normally you can target the block, that
Yeah,
went away.
we were targeting it, and then once you were able to get out of that cutscene, you couldn't target it anymore.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Yeah, if we play the song back, we should be able to target the block again. Maybe if I refresh the block by...
Okay,
Nope.
so that didn't... So what that tells us, Melon, is that the, what that tells me is that it's not in the first 100 bytes of the instance. Like, whatever controls that is not in the first 100 bytes, because I synced the entire first 100 bytes and nothing happened.
Wait,
Okay.
can you not sync the entire thing?
I don't know
Or is that what-
I don't know the instance size,
Oh.
so I just guessed with 100 because I don't know what it is. Check the first column of 1E8. Oh, I gotta get the address again. Because the address may have changed.
I can give you the size of the actor, just a second.
Let's see, when you do the song, at times something changes at that address. Oh, well, see you, Solar. Sorry, I didn't see your message before. I was absorbed in looking at the debugger and not at chat. My bad.
17C.
17C. Hold on. Let's try. Um, 17C. Okay, now I'm going to toggle that.
Oh, did you? Oh, never mind.
Yeah, I'm trying to update the server.
You go turn that off then.
Melon.
Wait. Wait, I think I'm onto something.
Toggle the script, Melon.
We're waiting on you.
Okay, sure. There you go.
Oop, I got an error. What is this?
Actually, I think the instance size is like. I think it's 70.
Oh, the instance size is 70?
I couldn't tell you.
I just noticed an error. Give me a second. Let's do something about that.
I know.
Let me knock that down for a second. Don't open that. That's not what I want. Get out of here. I need to go right here and do, let's see, that's that, and then that.
190. Yeah, what did I say? 170?
You said
That looks-
17C.
Yeah, that looks right. I think I said 70 though. Let me verify. It is 17C, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Or
So,
190. I'm one of the two. Looks like 190 to me.
well, I just committed something, so let's just see what happens.
Okay.
Oh, wait, now I got another error. What the hell? Hold on. What?
Oh.
Random errors. Okay. I will get this to work. It's the like the hot fix thing that isn't wanting to work.
Oh.
Let's see.
Oh yeah, 190.
Where does that happen? Let me find it. Okay. Let me just figure out. What? What in the hell?
What's the error saying?
Oh, it's an error with sending a packet.
Hmm.
I understand the error, but I'm having trouble
I
tracking.
found it.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
So
I found the
like
byte that says if it's at position 0 or position 1.
Oh, here's where the problem is. So, what do we need to do?
1e 1e8 6c4. So what I'll do is I'll do this minus the original offset. So at offset, da da da. Let me paste it. Just think that.
Let me see. Okay, 160. Let me give it a try. So, oh, whoa, don't do that.
You set it to 0, 1, it disappears. You set it to 0, 0, it reappears.
So that's 1 byte.
Yeah.
And for debug, that's gonna be, is it up or down?
74 for debug.
Okay, so it goes up.
Because debug has like 10 bytes of debug stuff.
Okay, so that. Actually, let's change this to this. Actually, you know what? Let's just leave it as it. Let's just leave that as it is and see what happens first. Alright, committing stuff. Let's see if this works.
Alright.
Oh! Instant crash, hello.
Oh shit.
What
That's
happened?
always fun.
I didn't actually see the error, it flew by so quick.
Oh.
Oh, wait. I think we're back. Oh yeah, it seemed to have worked that time. Yeah, okay. I think?
Chest offset.
Oh god, that
Oh,
bug.
I crashed again. It seems random. I'll take a screenshot of the crash.
Oh, I crashed as well.
Huh.
I took a screenshot.
I didn't crash. That's interesting.
Well, basically, as soon as it
Unhandle.
connected to this hog, it crashed.
Here's the error.
Let me see. Okay, so it was something that looks like it's because usually when that error happens, it means that BizHawk itself like crashed.
Am I connected? Yeah, it says I'm connected to BizHawk, so I should be fine now.
All right,
It says it's finding popularity.
I just now came back because I was yeah. Oh hey, I can target the block. Hello.
Alright, I'm entering that room in a moment.
There's still Melon's puppet just standing here.
Yeah, I see you.
Oh, you're okay. There you are. All right, let's see if Melon is right.
Nope, I'm crashing.
I'm not crashed.
Did anything happen to the block?
No, it's just still here.
Huh.
Melon, you idiot.
No. It should work.
I saw it when I came in the room, it set something on that block.
I cannot join because it's throwing that error at me each time.
Not sure here. We'll just restart everything.
Yep, crashes even with a fresh BizHawk.
Oh, there. I'm restarting the server.
Oh, let me stop my script.
Okay, I restarted the server.
Nope, same error.
But why? Why? It's the reconnect thing where you don't have to like restart the game that's crashing. But I'm not totally sure why. So that should be connecting.
Did you close the server? Or
No, the server crashed.
oh,
Like, I see the error Melon's getting, I'm just struggling to actually, like, do anything about it. Because it's not what should happen. Yeah, it just crashes for no reason whatsoever. Okay. Why does that crash? And why does it only crash in that one specific way?
hmm.
It's a little strange and irritating that it only crashes in that one specific way.
What is the address you're writing at?
Oh, CC in our context, so it should be fine. Yeah, there shouldn't be anything at that address. Like, the thing is being written.
Aren't the spawn parameters like bigger than 10? I think they are bigger than 10.
I don't know. I don't know. Let me look at... Okay, the only thing I can think of is that maybe it's... Maybe it's something with this? Let me try just removing this and see what happens. Alright, start that. Nope, it still crashes. Why? I can't even see the error message because it just like slams the window closed. I'm gonna have to open it in PowerShell. Yeah, it's definitely the same error that Melon is getting. Unhandled error event. Error connection reset. It's like right after, so it connects to BizHawk. It receives some data. It receives some Puppet data. It receives the room number. And then the connection gets reset.
There's something at BC though.
There's something at what?
BC.
I'm not writing. I'm writing at CC, not BC.
You're writing FF?
Yes.
But the spawn parameters are wrong, I think. Look.
There should be like... There should be a 1 in there somewhere.
0001. Then the position 4600, but Y and Z is not set.
There should be... What it should be is 0001 4600 C500 4600. Yeah,
Let me reset.
I see the 1 in the 46, but I don't see the C5. Or the other 46. I mean, I guess that doesn't matter, so that it shouldn't be causing a crash or anything. Let me think. So that is the patch flag. So that is sending a thing to the server. Don't worry, guys, we're professionals.
Yeah.
I'm a professional fuck shitter upper.
Oh, hey, I think
Because I'll strip.
I think I fixed the crash.
Oh.
Oh.
Let me upload that. Yeah, I think I fixed the crash. Or part of it, anyways. Okay, so if that fixed the crash, let me commit another thing. Let's try this. Okay, if that fixes the crash, then what I want to do is I want to purposely crash the server. We do that sometimes.
Connecting, seeing if it crashes. It looks fine.
Yeah,
Yep,
now not only should it not crash, but it should automatically rehook stuff when we come in. So I think I got that working now. Oh,
Okay, I'm in the entrance of Forest Temple. Waiting for you.
Oh, I'm still in Forest Temple. I never left.
Oh, Cosmo Kid Live, Infinite Streams. Yeah, I was opening up Deno's stream on my stream just to see what was going on.
Yeah.
Oh, BizHawk does that sometimes, where I had the hex editor open and it decided that it didn't like that and switched it to the wrong thing. What the hell?
Okay, I'm here. I don't see the block.
Alright, you know what? We're just... No, now I have 2 of these open. That's amazing. Get out of here.
Alright, I see you guys. I'm coming in. The block is gone for me as well.
The block is currently here for me.
How did you sync time block? Let me check.
Oh, now the PowerShell window is up. Get out of here.
Oh, the block is back. The block is back.
I just spawned it.
The block was always here for me.
Well, now play the song again, Psy.
Alright.
And the block should disappear. Hey!
Still there for me.
Well, you suck.
Well, it's weird. It reappeared for Melon and then disappeared for Melon when I played the song.
Okay, let me just, like... Maybe my...
Yeah, it's because you use a safe state.
No, I didn't. I used the reconnect feature.
Yeah, but maybe that's what broke it.
Let me just leave the room and come back.
Hi.
Okay, I'm in the room again.
Is the block there?
The block is currently not there.
Okay,
Nice.
perfect. Now go and play the song.
I'll play the song.
Yeah, play it.
For some reason, I don't have audio playing on my...
There it is. Hey, we got it.
Now let me play the song again.
Let's see what happens if I get on it.
I'm just gonna hang on it.
It's gone now.
It's still
It's
here.
not gone from me.
Well, I just played the song.
Interacting.
Something is wrong with like active syncing, I think.
I think something's wrong with your internet, because it always works fine for me and Sai.
God damn it.
I don't know what could possibly be wrong with it. Like
No, it said door shutter. I don't. What? No, I think it's fine.
Here, I'm gonna play it one more time.
Yeah, I didn't see anything from Melon when he played the song.
It stayed for me whenever I played the song. Let me play it one more time.
I swear I
wonder if it's because
didn't-
I'm hanging on it. It'd be funny if it's because I was hanging on it. It's gone now.
Yeah, it must have been because you're hanging on it.
Okay, so if a player is hanging on the block, it won't despawn. That's amazing.
All right. Well, I guess we figured it out as much as we
Okay,
can.
what if
so
I
far.
play the song again?
It,
Bang.
Oh,
it's
it's here.
back. Yes, it was
Okay.
me hanging on it that messed it up.
Blaming my internet.
I will blame your internet.
Idiot.
Yeah, this is pretty weird.
That's a pretty interesting quirk.
What if I stand on it, but I'm not hanging?
You
All
know,
right,
you
then
know.
I
Wait a
get it.
minute, Melon. This makes sense actually, because in the vanilla game, if you're standing on a block, you cannot Song of Time it.
Oh.
So I guess it's just detecting that I was on the block, so it won't let us move it because I'm on it.
Okay.
That
So
makes
there's nothing-
perfect sense.
Hold on, let me figure out why the hell can I not
Can somebody
get
play Song of Time?
desktop audio? Hold on, I'm trying to figure out how to get desktop
I'll
audio.
play it. It shouldn't go away though because you're on top of it.
Until I jump.
Yep. Like it'll go away for me, but
There we
not
go.
for you until you move.
Okay.
Yep.
Is it?
It's gone.
And
now.
then
It's not gone for me.
it's not gone from me as well.
I think it's because Melon was standing on it.
Is it back for you then?
I'm playing the
Fix it
song
there.
again. Hold on.
What should happen is it should not. It either doesn't come back or
Okay, it's there for me now.
okay. Now it should
I'm playing the
disappear.
song. It should disappear in 5 seconds. Now.
Yep, it's gone. It's like if a player is standing on the block at all, the thing desyncs horribly.
All right. Well, we'll just have to put like
We will
notices.
have to. Oh, there might be a way we can like hack the actor to be less ridiculous. But that's a thing for later. We
If
know
I
that
go
we
and kill this Sculptula, does everybody see it dead? Like this
Hold
thing?
on. Let me roll. Let me get over here and look at it. Where is it? Oh,
Look
You
up.
just killed it.
Oh yeah,
The one on
I
the
see
on the
it.
right.
I'm looking at it. Yeah, it's gone.
Dead. Good.
Yeah, it just disappears.
Yep. Up we go. We're done playing with Song of Time blocks for a minute. Let's go up here.
It took us like 40 minutes.
It happens like that sometimes. Song of Time blocks are weird. Luckily, there's not that many of them you have to worry about in the game. Ah, you
It's a
almost knocked me off the
feature.
ledge.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
Oh.
that's gonna be easy.
I don't have my damn. There we go.
There you go. Whoa.
Someone said, "Can you edit the actor to not bother if someone is standing on
The
it?"
chest is mine.
No.
You got the bow again, or whatever the hell.
No,
That was
it was a map.
No, this is not Master Quest.
Yeah, someone said, "Can you edit the actor to not bother if someone is standing on it?"
Probably, but I think that will fuck up Master Quest though.
Yeah.
Because there is a puzzle in Master Quest, like Adult Spirit Temple, that requires you to stand on a block while playing the song. Oh, one of you hit the
Go
button.
website.
Goodbye, everyone.
I like how this is the thing everyone does. Everyone jump slashes when they jump off of something.
Yeah.
Let me pick up those hearts. I'm dying.
You're dying.
No,
Ow.
I had like 2 hearts the way.
Good job, Melon. You fell in the water.
Oh, what if I take the hearts? Do they disappear for you?
I already took the hearts on my screen.
I didn't. Yeah, we'll have to make it so that when somebody loads into a room, it just like syncs the
Yeah.
current actors that are not dead.
Yep.
We should-
That'll be a trick for later, because it's not super important right now, other than maybe heart containers.
Mhm.
But definitely a thing to keep in mind.
That was frame synced. Okay, so who's doing the bomb hover glitch thing to go there?
I don't know how to do that.
Then,
Which glitch?
like the glitch where you get bombed and like you jump there with the hover boots.
I don't know how to do that.
I don't know either.
That's not how I usually. I mean, there is a way to glitch up there, but that's not how I usually do it.
Okay. Well, let's continue the dungeon. Can we restart the dungeon without any keys?
I mean, we could. I
Um.
don't think it's necessary though. Let's just go. Let's go. Like, make sure that the block is actually gonna work.
Oh, yeah, what are we gonna do with the pose?
Oh yeah.
Oh, the doors are not synced.
That's because you didn't make a file for that, I don't think.
I did. Oh, I didn't.
Yeah, you didn't make a hook for that, is why it's not. It is important though, we need to hook that up.
Where are you guys?
In the block puzzle room.
Oh
There
shit,
you go,
I
it's
don't know
dead.
what that is.
You just
Is it left, right, or north when coming in?
left.
Okay. Oh, block puzzle room, that one. Okay,
I'll just wait for Psy.
I'm coming in. Man, no clip must be so good. If only we had it.
This was I like this room because this was the room that I first demoed actor syncing. Like the first actor
Yeah.
syncing GIF was of pushing this block around.
Hmm. Can
How
somebody
far
go
we've
to the
come.
other side and start pushing it
Oh, right.
from behind?
Oh, it's just the wrong way.
The other side.
Before I fuck it up.
Yeah, there we go. Oh, there we go. See, you took control of it.
Yeah, it should be a lot snappier now. Let me do this so I can
Yep,
completely.
it played the da-da-da-da-da sound.
Let me do this so I can completely interrupt what you're doing.
Oh, well, we weren't pushing the block, but sure. Okay, Psy, go.
I got a
How much-
bundle of arrows.
I can go anywhere.
Oh lord, there's a lot of spam in the console right
You actually need Deno, can you push the block all the way?
now. The one that's up here? Yeah.
Yeah, the red one.
I got it.
Cooperative gameplay.
Oh, there we go. You guys grabbed it from me. We good.
Oh, it's maybe I should stop doing that.
Yeah, because I had control over it.
Yep. There you go.
Hey, this is so cool.
Almost jumped off.
Why did somebody enter your stream and say I'm streaming in 30 minutes?
I have no idea.
Ban that guy.
No, you can't just ban anyone.
Well, kick him for like 10 minutes or 30 minutes.
No, you're such an overdramatic.
Well, but it's funny to kick him for 30 minutes.
No, come on.
Melon, calm down.
Oh,
It's-
that's fun. Plays a cutscene.
Yep.
Okay, but what if I'm inside and you try shooting the eye now?
I
Did you
missed.
do it?
I just did.
Oh, I saw you in there.
I'm waiting. Okay, then enter the room. It didn't do anything for me. Hey, look, I'm. Okay, I see you floating. So this whole room is an actor, actually.
Yeah, this whole room is gonna be kind of funky. We're gonna have to like spin the actual room
Wait,
actor
wait, wait.
around.
Look at the chest. Look at the chest, guy. I'm gonna open it. There you go.
Oh no, I got grabbed. Rip.
I got the key.
Oh,
Damn
shit.
it. Shit. Hey, what's up, Idika?
Artica, we need the new puppet. Please.
That face with Atticus on my stream.
Oh yeah, I just re-entered the room and it was fine.
It goes pretty well, Idika. We were fighting with the Song of Time block for like 40 minutes. It was a good time.
45.
45 minutes, but it works now. It's all good.
Did you guys see that?
I'm having to walk back because I got grabbed by a damn wallmaster over my dead body. No puppet for you, Melon.
There you go. I freed the red.
I already
cloak.
freed it. I'm fighting it.
Oh, well, you have need to sig that.
Yeah, we're basically walking through Forest Temple right now, and just like anything we bump into,
The
that
paintings are gonna need a fix. Also, I'm gonna take a Dikunut because this fight is like.
anything that we're running into that isn't synced properly, we're kind of stopping and syncing it. If I ever catch up to you bastards, because you all left me behind.
We did the puzzle for you. It's okay.
There you go. It's dead now. Is it dead for you, Psy?
Yeah, I'm the one who killed it.
Oh, I'm the one who killed it.
No, I
Yeah,
was
I'm
in here
pretty
like
sure
10
the.
No,
minutes
I was
before
the
you
one who
were.
killed it.
All
I was the
right,
one who...
calm down, children.
Idiot Melon. I'm gonna kick your
I'm
butt.
gonna do the boss fight.
Okay, I just now got into the stair room. Oh, hey, the paintings are gone, so that's synced up good.
Um, what do we do with this room again?
I don't know. It's not...
We jump down
Hold on, where are you fools?
in the mini boss room.
You just
Oh,
you
right
just
there.
you just walk towards the center, and it should spawn.
Well, I'm dead now. GG.
Idiot Melon.
Wait, what? Why
Oh,
is
maybe it's
Yeah.
because we haven't done the bottom fight.
Oh yeah,
I'm
that
doing
that
it.
that is why. It's because we haven't fought the things down there.
Yeah, just like jump down.
We
Oh,
did
GG.
it.
I was holding a bomb during the cutscene. Now I'm watching you guys down there.
Oh, my game soft locked.
What? It crashed?
Yeah, it's crashed. Basically, I think what happened was... Well, I don't know. It was loading the treasure chest and it just broke.
Hold on. Okay, I can't go out this door or out this door. What?
Dump your RAM using the hex editor, please.
What is wrong with the... Okay, yeah, this room is goofy. I think we're gonna have to... I'm gonna have to, like, fall down and walk back. How annoying. Alright.
I pressed
Why did the site
X.
crash?
I pressed export. Does it export anywhere particular?
Mm,
So I save as binary. Is that what we need to do?
yeah,
Okay.
but I don't know why he crashed.
I'm not sure either, like... Because
Over my dead body. God damn it.
you just now saw that. Alright.
Yeah, let me
I'm
send
going
the...
back to that same room, but just above where you are. Because I forgot that that room in vanilla just will break if you don't do the fight under it.
Maybe that's why Psy crashed?
Uh, I don't know. I don't think it would, but
I can't upload the file for whatever reason. I think it's because it's I'm
Zip
gonna
it.
get,
just put
I'm
it
gonna
in
get rid of the...
put it in the Dropbox.
Oh, zip it. Zip it is gonna be under 5 megabytes.
That's why we have a Dropbox, so you can send stuff.
Oh shit! It's exactly 8 megabytes. I'm dumb. I'm an idiot.
Well, I mean, it would make sense because it's a RAM dump.
I'm not
You got the
smart.
bow.
Say what?
You got the bow, even though you already had one.
Oh, did you get back up there?
No, but you'll get it.
I'm getting there.
Here, I'm uploading it to OotOnline Dev Dropbox.
Going up here. All right, now I'm in this room.
I need to restart my fucking shit then. Before everything crashes. Yep. Everything crashed. I'm so
Eek.
hungry. I could eat an octopus.
Oh, you lost ISG.
Yeah, cause the cutscene.
Why isn't this game 100% cutscenes? That would fix ISG.
Damn it! I had ISG and then I lost it. Whatever. I'll just fight them the right way. Oh, the lag when you kill the Stalfos is real.
Whoa. So many pieces.
There
Hey,
we
you
go.
idiot.
Okay, so for this room, it wasn't necessarily anything we did wrong. It's just this room is glitchy. We may end up having to sync this like middle platform thing in this room.
I don't think they can access this room anyway in vanilla without using glitches.
Which room?
Like the top room.
No. I'm saying like the thing that comes down when you get to the second Stalfos round. Like, I don't know if
Oh,
it's
that's just position.
I don't know if it's switch flag controlled and it'll just come down on its own, or if you have to
We'll have to
position it.
test. Oh, I see Psy. Hi, Psy.
Hey.
Are you guys
I
still
don't
in
see a
the
flame.
Are you guys in the room under me still?
No, I died, so I had to reload. I'm in the main room with Melon.
Yeah, same. Let me just refresh the room. Oh, I didn't save the context because I killed the red Poe. I saw the fire, exited, and re-entered the room, and now the red Poe is not lit.
I don't think it's saved the context either because the doors that we've been going open and unlocking are still
Yeah, oh yeah, like the doors are locked now. Maybe it's
yeah
because
and
Psy rejoined.
That shouldn't change the context, though. The context should be like the latest stuff.
Well,
yeah
save data.
and this is back the time block.
Yeah, no, I'm
Yeah.
saying the save data on the server should be like the latest data. It shouldn't be like, or like the most.
It looks like it can regress somehow.
Yeah, it shouldn't be able to regress, but apparently it is doing it anyways.
Do you see me, Psy?
Yeah, I see you.
What do I look like?
You look like you're pulling out your hook shot.
I'm like literally. I'm actually like in the. What should I call it? Like when you hold Z and then up C down and then down.
Okay, I just lit the blue flame. I guess see if that did anything.
Link just does limbo. Well, yeah.
Yeah, I lit the blue flame. Did that do anything for you guys?
Yeah, it did.
It's lit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we were in the room, so that's cool. It lit in real time.
It lit in real time, man.
It's so lit.
Okay, so that part worked. The context clearly needs some sort of refinement, because something's not quite straight with that.
Yeah, it looks like the person that joins like overwrites the whole save data.
I'm wondering if it's overriding the save data or if it's overriding like the context.
I think it's overwriting the save data.
Because
We can always
if you
test.
leave and come back, does it fix itself? Like if you
No,
leave the dungeon entirely?
no. So what we have to do basically is like it's because it also changes my equipped items, and we don't touch that ever.
Yeah, we don't touch equipped items, so nothing in the netcode could have changed your equipped items. We don't even write to those addresses.
But I mean, oh yeah, right. But I mean, like, if I have a sword and shield, Psy joins with a clean save file, I will lose my sword and shield in my menu, but I will still have them equipped.
Right, yeah, I'm not sure why that happens.
And it seems like it happens also with doors and scene stuff. So.
Yeah, so something is regressing pretty hard, and I'm not sure what it is. Because it shouldn't be able to regress. Like, it checks for, like, if it's going from a 1 to a 0, effectively, but that doesn't seem to work. A bundle of arrows. Okay. Are you still in that main room?
Yep.
Yeah, I was just jumping around.
Looking at the flames.
I'm almost back to the main room.
I can't wait for like puppets to be hookshotable. Idika, how much time do you think it would take to make just puppets hookshotable? Like
That would
like
kill
at all
everything.
times.
They would probably need a hitbox, right?
They already have a hitbox. It's just a matter of setting their properties to be hookshotable. I'm pretty sure.
Alright, we'll see if this works for you guys when I do this.
Because yeah, I just want to hookshot Psy's face and grab onto it.
Just rip my head off like Mortal Kombat.
Yep.
Okay, so
Actually, go forward. Oh, yeah, go forward. Forward. A lot. Okay. Wait. I want to do a meme.
You want to do
Wait,
a
don't
meme?
go hold up so Link doesn't do. Wait. Okay. No. Wait. Perfect.
Okay, Ghost, if you would like to do what I want you to do, that would be cool.
Perfect. I think I got a perfect screenshot. Wait. No, you moved.
Okay, enough. Then come on.
Here's a good meme.
Here you go to the torchlight.
Yep, the green
Yes.
one. You have blue and green now.
Oh, we should technically have all of them, but there's some sort of regression bug happening.
Yeah. Go back to the room with the red and purple. Oh yeah, we didn't get purple. We have to re-enter the room.
Well, purple. Well, we can't get purple until red is there, and then we re-enter the room.
Oh yeah. Well, can you go do red? I'll stay in here to do purple.
I can't open this door. Actually, yeah, I can. I wasn't focused on the.
Yeah, just waste all of the keys.
No. The key was already unlocked, but since I wasn't focused on this hawk itself, I could only use my control stick, not actual buttons. They weren't.
Okay.
Yeah, so I've already walked through the whole dungeon. That's cool that those... Oh, excuse me. It's cool that
Because
works.
say you're like up there, like you're on that edge. Like just imagine the speedrun strats. Like you're up there, and then I quick like hookshot you to go up.
Oh shit! I have to do the block puzzle again.
Yeah, things are... if you're seeing the block puzzle again, that means things are regressing in the dungeon pretty hard.
That's because Psy rejoined.
Yeah, but that shouldn't happen. It should catch him up.
It only happens. I think it does the opposite, but it only happens like when somebody rejoins. After that, it doesn't do it again.
Yeah, but
and it only does it once.
That's the thing, though. It shouldn't do it at all. So something is really wrong. Let's have a look. Let's go to... Where is that? That would be this file. Because it does it with that, too. So it's got to be right in here somewhere.
Actually, should we have like some special kind of like properties? Like, okay, here's some game design stuff. You know, the Iron Shield has its own like. Okay, Iron Shield can reflect projectiles, right? But the Mirror Shield cannot. So I've heard a lot of people say, "Oh, when you get the Mirror Shield, just equip that and don't ever change it again." You know, but no, because the Iron Shield can reflect projectiles, so there's still like a reason to use it. And I want to enhance that a lot further by saying, hey, the Iron Shield, you can hookshot links. If you have the Mirror Shield, you cannot.
I mean, I don't particularly care one way or the other, I suppose. I don't think it's really going to change that much, because if one link is in a position where you can hookshot them, the other one could have walked there too. Like, I can't think of that many speedrun strats that would enhance, but, I mean, speedrunners tend to find every way to abuse things, so maybe they'll find something fun.
Yeah, okay, so just forget about the shield idea.
I mean, no, it's not that it's a bad idea. It's just like I'm thinking with the hookshotting thing entirely, like, what does it add? Like, what...
It's fun.
I can't think... it's fun, but I can't think of, like...
interaction between the players, because right now players cannot interact at all between each other.
Well, interaction between the players for no reason is not good.
Let's see. I'm trying to look at the... I'm trying to look at this code here to figure out what is going on.
Oh, we could make it so that if you hookshot somebody, you get hurt.
But why?
Because I'm literally like impaling you with a fucking hookshot.
Because I'm literally impaling you with the fucking...
But that leads to griefing.
Okay, so it's definitely a thing with... It's got to be right in here somewhere that's messing it up. Wait a minute. if that is greater, right? If data is greater than what we have stored.
Why do I suck at aiming?
So the way that this is supposed to work, Melon, is that looking at the code, it only changes a scene flag in save RAM if the incoming one is a higher value than the one that was already there in the first place, which is the way it's supposed to work, I would think. So I'm seeing, let's see.
Yeah, right now I'm just trying to get to.
I'm just sitting here looking at the code, trying to find what is causing that to happen. Because it's happening in both the item section and the scenes. Oh god, you think I didn't sleep at all with all the yawning. Jesus. Enough. Let's see. Okay, so the way that the item one works... Let's see if I can find a hole here. If it is... Okay, if the server has no item for a slot and the incoming player does, then set that. Otherwise, if the incoming item is not blank and the incoming item is greater than that, is greater than like the one that's already there, then set it.
Did you check it with or statement or and statement?
And
Okay.
like there
So
should
if
be nothing wrong with this. I don't know why it would mess up.
so if what's coming from the new player is greater than what the server has,
And it's not a blank slot, which is 255.
maybe you should put the is not a blank slot before the greater.
It is. It says if the logic goes in this order. If
But sometimes it can mess up and just do it the opposite way because
if
code.
if the server has a blank slot and the player does not, then set it. Else, if the server has a lesser value than the player, but the player's slot is not blank, then and the player slot's not blank, then set it.
Okay.
So that makes sense to me. I don't see why it would ever regress with that, but it is most certainly regressing.
I just did the red ghost.
Oh, let me tab back over and look, because I'm like hanging off of a ledge. Oh,
Could you do something like this?
if I could stop falling down. Oh, yep, I see red.
Yep. So we should just re-enter the room and see purple. Stay in this room. I want to see if it enables the elevator. Yep, I see purple.
Oh, someone said the more interactions, the better. To be honest, even if they don't serve a specific purpose, sometimes it's just fun to mess around with things like that. And yeah, that's right. That's true. There's no harm in it.
Like that is what it's currently doing, Melon.
What I sent, okay.
No, like what I sent. This is what it's currently doing.
Okay, let me check. Just killing the boss.
Oh, you're fighting the boss down there?
Trying to find my way
I still
back
don't
to
see
the
one
room.
of the torches lit.
Yeah, it's because I haven't done the boss yet.
Actually, I'm just gonna wait for
Bang,
the
it's
wall
dead
master
now.
to come
Now
kill
the
me.
torch should be lit.
It should be lit.
Yes.
Oh, yep, the elevator just activated. The boss
I'm
is
not-
still there for me because I came in as you killed it. That's funny.
Okay, bye.
The boss just activated and is cutscening me.
And I just sunk through the floor, I guess.
I can't see you because all I can see is boss face. Bye, boss.
Oh.
Peace out.
We'll have to take the elevator as well.
Yeah, and this entire room, because this room spins.
It's like,
you just go floating up.
I just saw Melon go up while I was going down.
Yeah,
All right, someone do it so I can stand here and just get the
yeah, that's
the
thing.
switch.
yeah, this entire like thing is an actor. We're gonna have to sync its rotation.
Mm.
We'll just label it as pushable, and it'll probably work.
Yeah, but we need to take the rotation of pushables.
Do we not already sync the rotation of pushables?
No.
Well then, I see your hand, Melon.
Oh, I see the problem with your code then.
Do you?
Yeah, it's because you're checking for is inferior before checking for if not FF. Because FF is always going to be superior to like an item with ID 35. So what you need to do is change the disk.items.
But no, that's an and. Like both of those statements must be true.
Oh,
It's an and statement. They both have to be true in order for it to go past.
if disk.items inferior to data and data is not equal to FF.
Yeah, logically that shouldn't be able to regress. Like I don't see how it's possible that it regresses, but it definitely does. Like that seems foolproof, but clearly I'm a fool cuz I broke it.
If not working, call the work function. Easy.
Wait, if disk.items is the player, the new player.
No, data is the new player.
Okay.
It's the
So
incoming
if
variable.
so if the server items equal to FF, but then somebody joins with something that's not FF, you're saying this.items equals data. So
Basically, if a player joined, if the server has nothing and a player has something, then just like copy their data.
but I don't think it's FF all the time. Sometimes it can be 0 as well.
I'm thinking, actually, wait a minute. So this is, it loads it up from whoever connected first. Like, is how the item array is loaded. I think they should always be 255 because that's blank.
Are you sure you're updating data though? I mean, this.items.
Actually, do we ever even this is for inventory slots. Like, do we ever actually do those regress, or is it just equipment?
No, it looks no like that time when Psy joined it, like the whole save context regressed.
Well, yeah, but each of them are individual like sections. Like I was just looking at the inventory, but let's see. If I look at actually how let me look at inventory. Let's see. Like inventory is one I know regresses quite frequently. Okay, so server side, that's stored as a bit flag. So that does, let's see. It goes through each one. And it says if the server has 0. If the server has 0 and the player that's coming in has 1, then we set it and we put in a. Okay, so that's scene. Okay, so I think scene data is stored the same way. Wait a sec. No, those are stored as scene flags. Okay.
Maybe, like I said, maybe it's because some items are like 0 and not FF.
Scene flags in the save context, as far as I'm aware, only go from like 0 to 1 and don't go back. Right? Like, as far as I'm aware, that's how that save context ones work.
But sometimes they can go back, like with block.
Because what we're doing right now is we're checking like if the servers, if it would regress in.
I don't think the way you're doing it right now is good, to be honest. What I think you should do is that the first person to join has has the item host, so that if somebody else joins, player 1 is going to give all of its item to player 2. No matter, even if player 2 has items, just override them. That's how I think. Even same thing with world stuff. That's how I think you should do it.
That's actually decent. But because I mean, if you're joining a server, you want to be on the same pace as everyone else, even if it forcefully rolls back the stuff. So, say if you're the first person, say if you're the server host or the first person who, whatever, and the person next to you comes in has like say more items than you, or what you do is you force them to have less items than they already have to equal to yours.
And then if they're not happy with it, just close the game and it won't save.
Yeah, like they can't save unless they forcefully save.
Yeah, but I was trying to avoid that sort of thing because then it's not server authoritative anymore. It's like entirely based on like a individual player.
That's true.
Well, then couldn't you have the own? Well, yeah. But
Yeah.
maybe then you could just
Yeah,
ship.
but we're still gonna have the exact same problem because if something is like the code would be no different. It would just be bound to a player instead of to the server.
No, because then like you only send data to player. The player doesn't send data to the server when joining. So you should, when somebody joins, you should only send it the stuff from the server to him and not the opposite. And that should fix everything. But then again, like I said, if people that way, if let's say I do some stuff like I get a Deku Shield and then you join, you're gonna get that Deku Shield, even though I got it throughout the game.
But what I'm saying is like that's not going to solve the regression problem because if it's something with how we're like reading and writing data is causing it to regress, like if I shove the
It only
responsibility
happens when somebody
if I
joins.
shove the responsibility onto a client instead of the server, we're going to have the exact same problem just with a different like architecture.
Yeah, I think keeping the server as the one that holds all
Just
the
make the new
information is the
players that
better.
join not give out their items to the server, and that should fix it.
Oh yeah. Basically, if a new player is there, and they have whatever, then the server gives them their stuff, but they don't give the server anything.
Yeah.
Because instead of having it to where regression isn't locked at all, or having it where regression is locked, have it to where the new players cannot even give anything to the server until
That does that's the
that doesn't make
that's
sense.
not you guys are missing the point here though. Like this code, it should literally be impossible to regress. So the fact that it can means that something is fundamentally broken with the syncing system.
I don't think it's the problem is that. I don't think it's the problem of sending. I think it's the problem with the server thinking that, oh, it's a new item, but it's an empty slot. Let me just write that.
Well, that's what I'm saying though. That should be impossible. Like
Because some items have an ID of 0 and not FF. So you should check for FF as well.
no item has an ID of 0. ID 0 is an item.
Where are you checking the items in the save context?
Wherever it's set in tokens. Like, that part's working, but like I'm targeting the right place in RAM. That's fine. The problem is that for some reason, I guess I'm just gonna have to like analyze what the server is seeing, because it doesn't make any sense that. So here's what I'm saying. Okay. If you have the flag set for, say, like Kokori sword or something, right? Like, that's a 1. It's a bit flag of 1 in the equipment area. And that's stored in this bit flag storage on the server, which is saying that if the server has nothing and the player has a sword, now the server has a sword, it cannot go the other way. Like, it should be like impossible to go the other way, but it does. So something is. How you can have something fundamentally wrong with a like is the value 0 check, I don't know, but something is wrong.
Wait, save data is at what address? Oh no, wait, no, that's token debug. I'm dumb. Plugins, targets, no token modules.
Do you want to test right now? Did you close? What happened to you?
No, the server's still open. I didn't touch it.
What
I
happened to
closed
you?
my game.
Oh, oh, Melon. That's why.
Yeah.
I'm thinking what we could do is say I don't save anything. I leave, and then I'll come back. Okay, I'm going to.
Hold on, I need to. Let's see. Let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna restart the server with a debugging thing in there.
Okay.
So we can try to provoke it into regressing. Oh, actually, that didn't. Hold on, I fucked up. Or rather, I didn't mess up, but I missed a thing. Okay, let's do it like that. All right. So now that the server's coming back up, let's try to provoke it into.
Okay. So, why don't you go? You enter. Go to the time block, and
I'm still in the dungeon, like in the same position I was. Like, I didn't change
Best way to
positions.
do it, I'll just connect right now with a new save file and you'll lose everything. Simple as that.
Well, I'm looking at the data is a huge clusterfuck right now.
Okay, so new save file, you should lose everything now.
No, I still have everything.
I have everything as well. Okay.
Okay, I'm entering the room. All the So, yeah, all the torches are turned off.
Yeah, so
Yep.
it's something in like the like the flags that are. What is all of this? Why are there like a million of these? What? What is this? Why are these varying? Wait a minute. Why are these all sorts of varying? Let me think here. I think I need to do more. Let's see. Alright, I need to put this... Let's see. Yeah, that's the problem, is that somehow the context itself is just regressing really hard, and I don't know why.
The save context?
I mean, it might be the save context, I'm not sure. Can y'all toggle, because it's crashing?
Yeah, I'll toggle. Toggle.
So I can try to reconnect it. Okay, I'm reconnected. Now I can actually see what these are. Okay. Okay, this is going to be kind of tough to tell what's going on because the scene data is a huge block of data. Alright, hold on, I'm going to have to... Let me toggle again. I'm going to have to shut the server down because that is completely unreadable. Okay. Inst name... Actually, that already has a debug thing in it. Yeah, this isn't very... Hmm. Boot this up. Oh, that just straight out crashed. Okay. Why did that just straight up crash? I love a good just, crash with no error message. Good stuff. Okay. That is... okay. Alright. Okay. Oh, I see Psy is loaded in again.
Yep.
Alright, and we're still stuck in here with no no torches lit anymore. My items still seem okay.
Could be the switch flags.
Go ahead. Yeah. When that disappears, it didn't disappear.
I got a scene flag update when I did that. I'll do it again. But I didn't get a scene flag update when it came back.
Weird.
Oh, that makes sense, because it's not supposed to be able to regress. So yeah, it shouldn't be able to go backwards. So it just didn't go away for you.
Wait a
No.
fucking minute.
Maybe we need to, like, leave this room and come back.
Wait a minute.
Bonk.
Still there. Still there for you.
Yep.
Oh, now it's gone.
Okay, so now it's gone. But is it going to stay gone?
All right. So what I'm gonna do is restart my game.
Huh, that's a glitch. It removed you, but it didn't... That must be a bug with, Okay, it didn't delete your puppet. It's still standing here. Oh, now you're back moving again.
Oh, I didn't restart my game. Duh. Shit. Okay. Let me reboot core. Rebooting core should work fine. Is that right?
Yeah, if you reboot the core, it'll erase any, like, OotOnline data.
Coming in to the forest. All right, I'm entering the room, and the block is there.
Yeah, the block is not there for me, so I have thoughts. Let's see. Where is all of this stuff? Where is this cached at?
Could it be a problem with the the water temple water fix?
Now there is no water fix. Like it didn't there didn't need to be one. I think what might be happening is, let's see, create save promise. Let me look at... Okay, I'm looking at the scene data, and it works a little differently than some of the other stuff. So in the scene data, because we cache all the information, it does a... Okay, what if... Okay, where is that? So this is where the server... Give me a second. This is when the server does... Okay, wait, is this server side or client side? That's server side. Okay, and then this is client side. But that shouldn't... I have theories as to what is going on here. Well, it's gotta be... The scene data is handled a little bit differently because there's a lot of it, and we only want to write what we need to write. So there's some checks run on that. So it could be that one of these checks doesn't work quite right. But we do know that the items do sometimes regress. Like, that does happen.
Hmm.
I may end up just having to take the entire, like, save system, like, back to the drawing board, because clearly I'm not doing something right. What's weird is that this system isn't really much different than OT Rando Co-ops, and it doesn't have any problems with regression.
Can you check in the switch flags instead of the save context?
What, just like the live context?
Yeah, that.
I mean, I could see that regressing with new players.
I mean, we're not changing it.
Yeah, but if a new player comes in, they would override what everybody else has for that
Not if they
room.
change. Only if they change rooms.
Yeah, but
Only if,
you change rooms immediately upon entering because now you're in like room 0 or whatever.
no, I mean if the player that's already there changes rooms.
Well, yeah, but still, it would still take effect, and not necessarily because you guys saw those torches light. Like
Yeah.
that's a scene level context thing.
Yeah, but are we writing anything to the switch flags as soon as somebody joins?
If their scene flags don't match everybody else's, then yes, it'll override everyone's flags.
I think that might be the problem then.
Yeah, but here's the problem. I don't know how to fix that because scene level switch flags don't always go 0 to 1.
Hey guys, I'm gonna go BRB for literally 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Because if you think about it, like certain flags can go from 1 to 0, then they can go from 1 to 0 instead of 0 to 1. So I don't
I want
know.
to try something.
So I don't know exactly how to tell like which one is the right one, other than like being like, other than saying like, okay, this player, like, well, no, that wouldn't work. What I'm gonna have to do. Okay, what I think I'm gonna have to do is like when a player first joins, like the first update that they try to send, I need to have the server just like throw that out and like update it to its current data so that the new incoming player. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ, I need a nap apparently.
But again, like you ask this question of like, what if I join with more world stuff done, and isn't like if I just started the game and I'm at Kokiri 4S getting the sword, and then somebody joins with like he's ready to go fight Ganon, isn't that like a bit shit?
Well, I mean, it's gonna snap the world to the Ganon version right now, but if I change
Sure.
it the other way around, it's well. Here's one of the other problems you got to think about with this. Okay, let's say let's say we do what you said, and now
Mhm.
it's bound to a single player, and that player is the determining factor for what the world looks like.
Only at boot. Only at boot.
Well, yes, but now here's my thing. Okay, say you do that, and you start a new save game, and your child, and you're in Kokiri Forest, don't even have a sword yet. Someone loads a full save game. Now that person is adult in a save game where you can't be adult.
Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good problem.
Yeah, there's a few. Which I mean, I guess you could like there are ways you could fix it by like detecting that and like voiding you out and changing your age, but that isn't ideal, and two could like totally fuck with ROM hacks.
No, but there is in the RAM of the game, there is a place for each save file. As soon as you boot up the game, every 3 save files is written into RAM, and the game loads it from that.
Right.
So we can modify that as well.
Oh, you mean like actually like physically sync like the save file instead of it basically writing it to the live RAM, write it to the actual like save location?
Yeah, so that when I load up my save file, it just loads the thing already converted instead of sending the data live.
I mean, that might work. Yeah, that might work, because that would... Well, other than not being able to name... I mean, I guess you could avoid the name field.
Yeah, just don't write the name in GG. And then it allows people to see what the other player has on their save file.
Right.
I can give you the offset.
That might work. Yeah, sorry.
Actually, can you...
It,
this is gonna be weird though. If you go in BizHawk and change the hex editor, like, you can change the memory domain. Do you have a SRAM?
I think I just crashed BizHawk. Whoops.
Oh.
Oh, no, I accidentally What? What the hell just happened? Where'd... BizHawk, please? What have I done? Hold on, something is totally busted right now. Oh wait, no, apparently my game just like restarted. Whoops. Oh, and it erased my save file. Amazing. Whatever, I'm gonna log into the server with a blank save.
Yeah, see, like, since I loaded the game... Oh, wait, no, no.
I loaded in with everything on a new save.
Okay.
So that worked. I'm gonna walk outside. And Saria... Oh, she's still here. She's here, but she has the wrong dialogue. What?
What?
Okay. Interesting. Let me go... I want to check
I'm
the
back.
state of things here.
Welcome.
What?
I went.
The forest is closed. What?
Oh, I'm sorry. I have my script on, so I'm sorry.
Oh no, I downloaded the data from your save file into a new one, and the forest is closed. That's weird. The forest should be open. Actually, I don't know if the save file had it open. I loaded directly into the Temple of Time. Interesting. Okay, so what I need to do is... I think Melon's onto something with that whole... with the save file thing. I think it's a good idea. We'll have to... We'll have to look into that one. What else? I think I may end up just taking the entire save syncing system back to the drawing board, because clearly something is just fundamentally not right about it. So I may end up just like making a new one that is maybe more similar to the way that OOT Rando Co-op does it, because that system worked and had no regressions ever.
I see.
So maybe I'll make it more like that system. The way that system worked was more P2P, where like you would send your save data to the server, but the server didn't care, more or less. Like, it was stored player to player. But that also causes problems of, like, you could potentially desync with that, so we're going to be careful with it. Like, I really don't want to lose the server authoritativeness of it, because that prevents desyncs. So I'm gonna have to really think about this. Okay, so in terms of actors, Forest Temple, let's get back to topic. Forest Temple actors, what do we got? We need that spinny hall, the twisty hallway room. We got to figure out something with that. The spinny
Elevator.
thing, like the spinny room before the boss, the elevator.
What about the room that has the falling ceiling?
We might have to figure out something with that. I don't think anybody was in there with me when I was in there. And that block puzzle, like the one with the timer. God, I can't stop yawning. The one with the timer might have to be fiddled with. Yeah. So I think at this point I'm really going to have to focus on the save system thing, because that's really... It kind of makes testing difficult because you keep getting your shit overridden.
Mhm.
I'm going to have to think about how to do that. What I need to do, I think, I need to confirm. Actually, I'm okay.
Ooh.
Ooh, what? What's up?
Ooh.
What?
Better check that chat.
Hmm?
At the dev group.
Oh, Idika's got some stuff. Okay. So I am at least 80% sure right now that the problem with the dungeon regressing isn't actually save context. I'm pretty sure it's like the live scene context.
Mhm.
So I'm gonna have to find a way to solve that. I think the way to solve that is gonna be like
Can you...
come
When
find...
somebody joins, couldn't you just like reboot the player into the room?
Well, that's not the problem. The problem is that I need to like... Well, no. There are several problems here, honestly. Because I
It was
need...
working fine in debug. Oh wait, no, it wasn't.
No, it's just... yeah, it didn't work in debug. Because the problem is I need to catch that player up with the other players before accepting data from them.
Or do you? Couldn't you just make it like that players have to pause the game and press D-pad down?
Yeah, I don't really want to do that, though.
Immersion playing.
I
It's not
want,
very
I
immersive.
want it to just work. So I'm gonna have to like sync the player. I'm gonna have to get their scene context up to speed before I allow them to actually like contribute to the pool of data, so that they can't regress it. So that is gonna
Okay.
be in. That's gonna be like right in here somewhere. It's like right. Yeah, it's gonna be right here. There's mostly this scene flag section. Um. Okay, so this is sending data to the master server. And the server doesn't actually... That's the thing. The server doesn't really care about those. Hmm. Alright, I think what I'm going to have to do... Right now, the server itself is not involved with, like, the current context. That's sort of like player-hosted P2P. I'm going to have to get the server involved somehow in that. And get it to, like... Get it to so that if it receives that data, it needs to not let the player like overwrite stuff if they're new to the scene.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we're gonna have to do. Yeah, we're just kind of waiting a second because Idika is preparing.
The new
Idika
puppet.
is preparing his stuff, so we're gonna see what he comes up with for us.
Should we start working already on the sound effects?
If you
I can.
know,
I do.
if you know the stuff.
So it's basically okay. So I'll just paste that.
Let's see. Transfer that. Transfer it once. Okay, so let me think. Transfer that to that of the puppet instance once.
I have an idea how to do that.
So wait,
What you do is
so it's set. Okay, so it's pull it from the context, and then set it to 0 back in the context. That shouldn't be that hard.
no, well, yeah, but I already know how to do it. What you do is that you set it to imagine this. You set it first to 0, 0 in your code, then set it to the value. Then you do the frame, and then as soon as the frame is done, your code is going to set it back to 0, and then back to
Well,
the other.
no. What I was gonna do. Okay, so basically, what he's saying it does is like it writes the sound effect. It writes the sound effect to the context, and then we have to pull it from the context and put it in the puppet on the other side, and then set it to 0. So what we'll do is we'll just monitor that section of the context, like that byte. We'll monitor that byte the way we do like other hooks, and when we catch it on client side, if it isn't 0, we have the value because we hooked it. So we have the value. We'll just immediately set the context back to 0,
That's what I just said.
and then just send it on down the line. So what we need is...
That's what I just said.
So we're gonna have... Actually, how are we... Let me think. Okay, so we're gonna have to... We're gonna have to make a new file for this, I think. Actually, we're gonna have to make a couple of things. And I need to go AFK for just a second.
Okay. So now we. I wonder when PvP is going to be implemented.
Well, like I said, he had a way, so soon.
Sorry, I'm back. Alright, let me try to set this up then. Let's see. I think what we're gonna do is we'll make one of these for it. Just so that, you know, Here, I'm gonna put this on screen just so that it's, we're not just staring at a blank, you know, game window. Let's see. Give me a second to... Alright. So, here we go. We're gonna do... We're gonna do it on that protocol. Alright, give me this stuff, except we're gonna change this to... Alright, and then we only need... actually, it's not gonna be this. It's gonna be... it's only 1 byte, right?
2.
2 bytes? Okay. 2 bytes, and then, let's see. Actually, maybe we will do it as a... think I'm just gonna do it this way for the future here. Alright, just make it do that. Alright, now make one of these. Alright, now the address needs to be set up in here somewhere. Let's see. Okay. So right here I need to make... where is that done? I think that's done in here. Let's see. Yeah, I need to take a copy of this. Now what I'm going to do is... Alright, and then I'm going to save that as... Oh, wait a minute. Don't put a thing there. Okay. So that will save us that. Now I need to do... So now I should be able to send that to it. And then our offset, what did Idika say the offset was? 88.
88.
Alright, so 88 in the context, and then it is 1 or 2 bytes. And I think that's all we need for the moment. It's 2 bytes. Alright, so that should get us that. That should be one part. Next part is going to be... Go to... Let's see. Let's just put it up... Let's put it up here. Alright, let's see. Link sound. Actually, we're gonna... Okay, so it should be... Okay, this is the client-side version, so if... Let me think. We're looking for sound effect. Actually, I guess I can just do sfx dot if it's greater than 0. Okay, so if you're greater than 0, then what I want to do Alright. We're gonna write 2 bytes. We're gonna write to... We're gonna write to here. We're writing it offset 88. Come on. We're just gonna write a 0 to it. That should clear it out, at least. Okay. And then we're gonna do... Let's see. Do I even use these anywhere else in here? Not really. Okay. So... Where is it? Right here. Okay, so I don't think I need to do anything else. I think you just return the packet itself. Maybe? Or is it returned... I gotta check. Which one does this expect? It expects... Oh no, I think it expects a boolean. Alright, so put a boolean in there. So we're actually... If I could spell, it would be great. Alright, I think that will make sounds work. I think. Well, actually, no, not quite. We got one more thing to do. We need one of these. Yep, we need one of these. And what we're gonna have to do is, let's see. Alright, okay. What I want to do is I want to copy basically one of these, but we're going to change it around a little bit. Okay, so where was it in the puppet? It was 266. Okay, so 266 of the puppet. And that should do it. Should.
And before it just like breaks our headphones.
Oh, I'm sure. Okay, so, let's see. I think we should be good.
Nice.
Let me double check something here. Let's see. Yeah, that should be correct.
To the puppet, you mean?
Well, it has to send it to the server before it gets to the puppet.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna get it, boys. The Holy Grail.
The gigantic code to copy paste.
Yep.
Okay, let's see that here. Open this file. Erase all of this stuff. Add new code. Save. Commit the change. Alright. Now I just need Itica to hit us up with that puppet file, and then we are good to go.
Yeah.
Yay.
Over my dead body.
That's funny, though.
Can I have bookshot over my dead body?
Right. Okay. Just waiting for that file, and then we're good to at least see if this works. Okay, we don't really need this anymore. I'm just going to delete that. Okay, so what we'll be checking on is mostly the sound effects. I'm hoping that this works smoothly, but I mean, does anything we do work smoothly?
No.
I wonder how did it even work like first try. I wonder what'll happen if anything will be noticeable.
If this works first try, we have like video proof. Just put this GIF on your stream,
Which GIF?
right? This one, wait. Copy paste. Well, it's us right now.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, this.
You're an idiot.
Perfect. Over your face.
Alright. Okay, so I'm thinking for Forest Temple, the bottom like spinny area should be pretty easy to get hooked up. That's just rotation, I would assume.
Hmm.
So that's not a big deal. What else? I don't know what we're gonna do about that one, like the bendy hallway. I don't know if there's anything we can do about that one.
Someone, JJ640 says, looks like it's Spooktober the 76th.
Right. Yeah, we're just kind of. Yeah, this is sort of the secret of this project is that there's a lot of just sort of discussing how things do or do not work, not necessarily a ton of like action. Software development is not a very exciting thing.
Yeah. Some people think it's like this, right? Right. Yeah. Yeah, some people think it's like this. Oh, Daniel's gone.
That's accurate representation of Deno.
Yes. We can talk to him behind his back. Oh no.
See Deno in the background.
Damn you, Daniel.
Waiting for Deno and Idika. Hell yeah.
Yeah. But I think having the sound effects will help a lot. Getting the immersion.
Huh?
Huh?
Sorry, I'm back.
Welcome
Hey.
back.
Still nothing Mitica, huh?
Nope.
Nope. ASM is hard, man.
Mm-hmm.
No lie. Apologies for Cat if that is echoing over Discord.
It's fine.
Okay, so hopefully, you know, I'm probably going to need to actually turn my sound on to hear the sound effects once Idika sends us that.
Yeah, I need to turn mine up too, so I'm gonna go do that right
I usually play with my sound off when I'm doing this. So it's mostly...
Oh.
Okay, so it's mostly going to be, I think, for the next... Or pretty much the weekend, I think, for dev. I need to get... I'm going to have to take
Good.
that context thing back to the drawing board and then figure out... I guess the rotating room is the important one, and that block puzzle, because you kind of can't complete the dungeon without the block puzzle.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, the block? You mean the
Like
basement?
no, the one with the timer where you have to like make the picture.
Okay.
And you said the
Yeah.
paintings are doing something weird too, right?
They just don't think.
Oh, right, because they're actors themselves. We'll have
I
to...
think they just get destroyed whenever you
Well, I
burn
mean,
one
if
of
we're just
them.
waiting, you can always go in there and analyze them.
Nah.
So I'm thinking for... In terms of workload, it's pretty much just bug fixes and... Oh, I got a message. Wait a minute. Oh, no, it's Psy shit posting.
Of course it is.
Idika literally shit posting. Okay, so um,
Lit.
okay, so let me think. In terms of work over the weekend, I think it's gonna be mostly that the scene context thing. I'm gonna find some way to fix that, and then once I have that fixed, we should be able to finish Forest Temple relatively quickly. Did you find the thing for the doors, Melon?
Yeah, I did.
Did you post that somewhere and I missed it?
Yeah, I did.
I must have missed it. Let me scroll back up.
You just search for door.
I gotta scroll back up past some of these shit posts.
Now you just search for door. It is at offset 180.
Oh, key animation 180.
And it's 4 bytes.
I
Think.
forgot I signed up for the Secret Santa thing for this art thing, and I haven't drawn anything.
Good job, Sai.
I can do it all today. It's just like today is the check. Today's the check-in, and I'm like, shit. Hello.
Okay, so it's mostly a function of bug fixing and finding the last few actors that are gonna need specific hooks. There are more in Forest Temple than I thought there were gonna be, honestly. Like I didn't think about that spinning room and the paintings and stuff. For some reason in my head, I thought the paintings would somehow work off switch flags, but I guess not. I guess I should probably try to... Let me think. I should go back there and just see if that's how they despawn, I guess.
Oh, can you get me something, Psy? I'm gonna DM it to you.
Okay. Not right now.
Yeah, it's the secret to software development. It's a lot of us just sitting here talking about shit and trying to, you know, plan exactly what we're gonna do over the next few days.
Mm-hmm.
Because, you know, I'll admit dev work has been a little bit slow, at least on my part, because, you know, shit has been shit has been a little real over here lately.
Mm.
But life must go on.
But the show must go on, and I'm gonna try to get back on track with that.
Yeah. At a comfortable pace. I really need to get working on that Secret Santa thing soon. I'm not sure. Do you guys still need my help for anything, or are we just waiting for Idika?
No, we're just waiting for Idika right now, so it's you do what you gotta do.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go end my stream, but Deno's stream will still be going on. I should be hosting Deno, and so I'm gonna leave. You guys can keep watching Deno, and then probably when we start streaming again, probably tomorrow or another day, we'll do the same thing where Deno and I will co-stream. Anyway, thank you guys for coming, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Yep.
Alright, so I need to...
Psy, here you go.
I'm gonna try
talk to you.
I'm gonna get back to Forest Temple, I think. Do I have...
Oh, Psy's gone.
Does this character have... Okay, I do. Alright. Let's see.
I think I'm gonna go eat. So...
Wow.
So yeah, be back later.
Can I really not? Let's see. Alright, so up... Right. I never have this song in Rando, so I never remember the song. Alright, let's go over here. Sorry, I'm eating on stream because stuff to do. Alright. Now that they're gone, I'm just going to focus on inspecting a couple of actors. Okay, so step one is that we're going to go over here, and I'm going to change this window to show this. Really? You're going to make me learn the song that I just played? Thanks, game. Okay. Sure. Alright, Alright, so we're going to focus on, right now, we're going to check on a couple different things with the actors that are in Forest Temple. Oop, not close enough. Okay. Or I can fall through the ground. Okay. Sure. You know, I might actually need the key. I don't think this save file has the keys. Okay, let me deal with that. Okay, so my main focus right now is going to be the paintings, because I know those don't work. And what I need to figure out is if they just despawn or if there's more to it. So this will be a pretty standard walk through the temple and, you know, bonking into doors. I don't need to fight that. No, I jumped too late. Nah, that'll work. Alright. Actually, I'll just pad my complete inability to play this game. Okay, so I need to get to the painting room, and there's only one way to get there. Now see, if we were playing in the debug ROM, we'd just be no-clipping around, but Unfortunately, we can't do that in 1.0. You can do the L to hover thing, but that's about the extent of it. I don't have any arrows. Are you kidding me? Did these guys drop arrows? Nope. Okay, that's fun. Alright. Alright, let's see. Let me just fix this arrow situation real quick. That didn't... really? Oh, that's... oops. Whoops. OOT 1.0. I need this version. There, now we have arrows. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure how we're going to deal with this bendy hallway right here, but I'll figure it out. Let's see. Okay, so that's where the... that'll take me to the chest that I don't really need right now. So that part seems to have saved, at least. Okay, so here is the room we actually want to get to. Alright, I'm gonna save a state here. Alright, Poe Sisters Puzzle Actor. I see 3 of them for the 3 paintings. Alright, now we're gonna test. If I shoot that, and then I run this again... Yep, there's only 2. Okay. Okay. Let's give this a try. If I go here... Actually, calculator... Let's jump to... Alright, so it's right here. Okay. So that should have deleted one of them. Okay, and the last one is up there and it does have the face on it. So now, what I want to do is run it again. And go to here, that. Okay, this address, jump to here. Okay, so now if I look up, it should be gone. But it doesn't seem to have triggered the Poe attack. So that's not exactly how it works. So unfortunately, there must be more to it than that. Yep, if you leave and come back, there they are. Okay, so there's definitely more... It's definitely not just destruction that makes those work. Something a little more to it. So now we dig deeper. If I can find the right screen. There we go. Alright, jump to here. Okay, there's a few variables that are moving around just by existing near it. Oh, excuse me, 1 second. Come on, phone, please. Show me the message. Thanks, Amazon, for telling me the package that I've already opened has arrived. That's a great use of my time. Okay, so there are the three paintings, and I need to figure out which one of these is actually which. So, what we're gonna do and this may seem a little silly, but what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go to, let's see, I need to go to this. This is, alright. We're gonna go here plus this. Alright, we're gonna jump to right here. We're gonna grab all of this, and we're gonna hope that this works the way that I want it to work. Now we're gonna go to this address. Oh, yep, there we go. Haha. Okay, I have the correct painting instance now. It doesn't have collision, that's interesting. Alright, now I need to get the ghost to show up. That's unintended. Oops. Okay, so this is the painting instance that we're looking at. I moved it off the wall so that I could actually see it. Now we're going to save state. What? Apparently you can't hit it if it's not on the wall. I wonder if you can still shoot the spot on the wall. Okay, that's interesting. Apparently the hitbox doesn't go with it. That is interesting. Okay, that changes to a pointer. Okay, so that's not exactly it. Okay, not quite. Ah! Right there! That's it. That's what we're looking for, is right there. Okay, cool. That's what we're looking for. Okay, so now we know that that is at 1E6260. Alright. Alright, and the beginning of that instance was 1E6FO. Wait, what? Okay, let's try that again. 1E60FO. Okay, so now we have the offset for the Poe painting, which means that we can sync this. So to give you guys an idea of how that process works. Basically, we do this and we figure out the offset that we need. Then what we're going to do is okay. So then I'm going to pull up my VS window. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go in here, and the first thing I need to do is go to I need to go to the actor list and do Poe Sisters Puzzle Actor is the one I'm working on. So let's make a new file for that. Now I'm going to just copy a different actor to start with, and then we're going to edit it. Okay, so we're going to go to this offset that we just calculated. Or actually, it's going to be that in debug, that in 1.0. We need actor ID for this actor, looking at the wiki, is going to be 0093. And it is under category. It's under prop 1. So let's see. So 1, actor category 1. And then the value that we are looking for is okay, so it should be this. What this basically is saying is that we are hooking this particular actor, which is the Poe painting, we're hooking it at this place. This is its actor ID, its category. It is a conditional template, which means that we only sync this actor if what we're looking at is a specific, like, passes a check. The check being if the value of that offset in the painting is this, which seems to mean the painting has been shot. Then if that happens, then we're going to send this value to everybody else's copy of that painting, which should then trigger the event to move forward. So that is the Poe painting. Should be done. Have to test it when everybody gets back. So let's go to another thing. Right. So we need, now we're in this room, so let's check on, let's run our debugger in the room. See a lot of breakable pots. Forest temple, large around platform. Gonna go to that address. We're actually going to go directly down here. Okay. So that should be save a state again so that we can roll back when I inevitably break something. Okay, see, I moved the platform. It's probably out of bounds. Yep, it's definitely out of bounds now. Okay, so that is the right actor. So what we're going to do... Excuse me. So we know that that is the actor. And it is called Forest Temple Large Round Platform. So we're going to look that up on Cloud Modding. we're going to add ourselves a... Alright, we're going to do that, and we're going to grab a copy of... We're going to grab ourselves a copy of this. Let's see. Alright. We're going to sync its position, which should be fairly simple. And that is ID number 86. And it is categorized as prop1. And we're going to label that as a pushable actor, which basically means that we sync positions on that actor. Okay, so that should be done. See, this is sort of the grind that you do with this. Is that you just got to go through, check each actor, bind them up. Okay, so this room is another PO room. So we don't need to fool with this because we already did it. I kind of want to run a... I want to run a check in this room. Twisted hallway room. So that is... Yeah, that is an actor. I wonder if you can change its, like, twisty state from in the room. Let's look at it. Alright, let's kinda... What I want to do is... take a snapshot... Take a snapshot of that. Does this save have fire arrows in it? Alright. Oh, but magic isn't hooked up. Oops. Note to self, get magic hooked up. That would be a good idea. Okay. Now let's scan again. Alright, it ended up at a different address because I came in through a different door. Okay. Next thing I want to do is look up whatever cloud modding may or may not have on this actor. Looks like not a whole lot. The answer is not a whole lot. Okay. The positions look a little bit different. Okay, let's do that. Okay, the positions do look a little different, so let's just break this room. Whoa, yep, we definitely broke the room. Good lord. Well, that's one way to break it. Where am I out of bounds right now? Oh, I see the elevator. What in the world was that? Definitely not a spot you normally end up out of bounds. Okay, so that didn't work all that well. Okay, let's go back in here. Let's try that again. Yeah, I think it's a totally different object each time you load into this room, so there's probably not a whole ton I can do about that right now. Because the actors themselves, like it's technically the same actor, but the data looks very different. So I think they're different objects. Which means that this is going to be difficult. Okay. Well, I was hoping to hook up the thing with Idika, but I am going to have to log out here very soon. So I will just bid you guys good night, and thanks for hanging out. I know this is not the most interesting stream ever, but this is the truth of game development, is that it's not the most interesting thing ever a lot of the time. It's a lot of just grinding at stuff and trying things and hoping they work. So thank you guys for hanging out, and I will see you all next time.